Little man. Jackson.
Everybody get in line so we can be past you. They were all wearing leashes that were attached in one line.
Then this one gave some.
Good job, buddy.
This one gave some letters.
We don't need any letters.
It's somebody's
Ask your
birthday.
parents.
Uh-oh, what do you have?
Well, me and your mother are going shopping. It's not. Today's 1 hour before visit. Okay. We're leaving with your with the babysitter. Bye. Sweethearts.
Jackson. Jackson.
Hi, Jax.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Okay, Lexi, come here.
Here, I'll take that. Here, come over here and get it. Look. Come on.
Kelly, Jackson will be in your phone.
No, he's not.
He is now. Oh man, he gets your phone to eat.
No, he doesn't. Silly.
He has it in his hand.
Mom,
What?
he's using my smartphone. He's so cute.
He's eating it.
Ew.
He's eating it.
Ew. Let him do on your phone. Not mine.
Okay, now come over here and get it. Woo.
Mommy, better cover up.
Come on, buddy. Jack,
And
come on.
you have jumpy board. A jumpy board.
Yay, buddy, you caught.
Okay, then you can win. What? Wing, wing, wing. Wing. It's not dangerous at all.